Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really exciting piece of tech, the Zowietek 4K PTZ 25x NDI HX3 camera. If you're a content creator, live streamer, or professional videographer looking for a high-quality, versatile camera that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. We're going to talk about the specs, features, and even test it in action so you can decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Let's have a look on what comes in the box. First thing we see is a small, getting started guide, followed by a ceiling mount made from high-quality, heavy-duty metal. A bunch of screws and some small connectors are to be found as well. Next is an infrared remote control with specialized buttons for the camera control. Unfortunately, batteries are not included. On the next layer, we found a serial connection cable, the power supply with 12 volts, as well as the camera itself. Everything is well packed and highly secured for transport. I wouldn't throw away the foam, as it can become handy once you want to build a case for the camera. Last thing in the box to discover is a metal wall mount, which is well prepared to take the camera and keep it stable in place. Okay, now that you know what is coming in the box, let's get into the details. First off, let's break down the specs. The Zowietek 4K PTZ 25x NDI HX3 is packed with professional features, especially considering its price point. So what are we looking at here? The Zowietek PTZ streaming video camera is Zowietek's latest 4K Ultra HD PTZ model, designed for efficient and versatile live video production. It supports NDI HX3 SDI HDMI and offers intuitive controls, making it a cost-effective, professional-grade solution for upgrading from 1080p to 4K. Equipped with Sony's 1.5.3 Zoll Ultra HD 4K XMOR-R CMOS sensor, the Zowietek PTZ produces crisp, color-accurate video with enhanced low-light performance. It delivers stunning visuals in all shooting conditions and offers 12x, 18x, and 25x lossless optical zoom options, enabling highly detailed close-ups. The camera outputs 4K video via HDMI, 3G SDI, and NDI simultaneously with embedded audio. The 25x optical zoom model, which we got for review for this video from Zowietek for free, is incredibly useful for PTZ, pan-tilt zoom operations, allowing you to cover large areas without losing image quality. As an IP-based camera with NDI HX3 support, it ensures high-quality, low-latency video streaming, easily integrating with LAN networks and streaming platforms like OBS, vMix, Zoom, Teams, Skype, YouTube, and Facebook. The Zowietek PTZ also features an advanced web-based control interface, Zowieweb, which includes live preview, streaming shortcuts, recording, OSD, NDI, and decoding options. Users can manage all major functions, pan, tilt, zoom, presets, and preview seamlessly from an iPad, smartphone, PC, or compatible joystick controllers, including an Xbox joystick. A built-in front tally light is included for multi-camera productions, letting on-screen talent clearly identify the active camera. The tally status is instantly visible on any connected phone, PC, or tablet, with coverage exceeding 360 degrees. An internal microphone is also integrated for added audio capture. The camera's 58mm ND filter thread is compatible with standard ND, UV, or polarized filters, ensuring optimal video quality in any lighting conditions. Remote control options include IP Visca and Serial Pelco, Visca RS232, RS485-422, as well as NDI control for flexible setup. A RESTful API supports custom automation and integration across Zowietek's PTZ ecosystem, which includes cameras, encoders, decoders, and future cloud solutions. A device discovery feature shows all compatible devices with names and IPs at a glance. The Zowietek PTZ can be powered via DC or PoE, allowing for long-distance setup of up to 100 meters with single cable connectivity for video, audio, power, and tally, alongside NDI. Ideal for a broad range of broadcast and professional AV applications, the Zowietek PTZ is an affordable, high-performance PTZ camera solution. So what makes this camera such a great option for both pros and enthusiasts? Well, let's talk about the benefits that really set it apart from the competition. Affordable price point. The Zowietek camera offers exceptional value for money. It costs roughly half the price of comparable cameras from other brands, yet it packs in professional-grade features that you'd expect to find in much more expensive systems. If you're on a budget but need quality video production tools, this is a camera to seriously consider. Multiple control options. You can operate the camera via the included remote control, or you can manage it through your network using the Sony Visca protocol for direct integration into your production software, like vMix, OBS, or Wirecast. Last but not least, Zowietek provides a feature-rich web interface, which can be used on computers as well as on tablets or mobile phones. A particularly cool feature is the ability to save camera positions. This is perfect for live events or productions where you need to move between different camera angles quickly. The camera not only saves the physical position, but it also stores the focus point. So when you switch back to a preset, the focus will be exactly where it was last set. The control speed is also adjustable. You can set the pan, tilt, and zoom to operate slowly for more precise adjustments, or ramp it up to full speed when you need fast movement. Even the focus speed can be set for manual adjustments. And because this camera is designed for both broadcast and content creation, it has integration with software like vMix, which means you can control the camera remotely from within your live production setup. Now, no product is perfect, and while this camera offers tons of advantages, there are a few downsides worth mentioning. The autofocus system can sometimes be a bit slow to adjust, especially when zooming in or out quickly. In some cases, the camera might take a little longer to focus when it's in automatic mode. When you're at full zoom, the focus might struggle to keep up, and it could take some time to find the right sharpness. If you don't have the settings dialed in just right, you may notice what's known as focus pumping, where the camera keeps adjusting the focus unnecessarily. This can be annoying during live shoots or recordings, so it's something to be mindful of, but can easily be fixed. We also took the Zowietek 4K out for a test run in the garden, and here's what we found. Focus modes. We tried various focus settings, including speed and sensitivity adjustments. You can set how quickly the camera focuses and whether you want it to be more sensitive to small changes or more deliberate in its focus shifts. While the focus can be a bit slow at times, it works quite well when you're in the right focus mode or adjust focus manually. Zoom speed. I tested the zoom speed, and honestly, it's pretty impressive. You can fine-tune how quickly the camera zooms in or out, which is great for both dynamic live shoots and slower, more cinematic productions. Switching between previously set positions works like charm. Color correction and white balance. We also tried out the white balance, both automatic and manual. The manual controls give you the ability to adjust the RGB balance using sliders or choose from preset color temperatures and gamma modes. We tested this for a more creative look and found that the adjustments allowed us to dial in the exact tone we wanted. Noise reduction. We use the 2D single frame and 3D multiple frame noise reduction settings, which come in 8 different levels each. In a low light situation, this really helped clean up the footage significantly, but overdoing it led to ghosting. The exposure modes were also very flexible, with options like AE lock, manual exposure, and EV correction, which allowed us to fine-tune the results, and the exposure range gave us great control over the image in varying light conditions. Additional image adjustments like contrast, brightness, sharpness, or gamma can be used for further tuning. The flip mode can rotate and/or mirror the picture. Different predefined styles are useful for quick picture setups. To sum up, the Zowietek 4K PTZ 25x NDI HX3 is a fantastic value camera for anyone looking for a professional-grade solution at an affordable price. The image quality is impressive for the price, and with its versatility, NDI support, and network control, it's a camera that's well-suited for both professional broadcasts and content creators who want that extra level of control. While there are a few minor issues with autofocus performance at extreme conditions, the overall value for the features you get is unbeatable. For those looking for a low-cost, high-quality PTZ camera, the Zowietek 4K is a no-brainer. It's one of the best options in its price range, offering a level of customization and performance you just don't see in this price bracket. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out the camera for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy shooting!